Okay, I'm standing near the corner as we enter into the property, and the actual corner is right there. Adjacent property is the landing association, which I believe is so that the people across the lake can park their cars and enter their boats and go across the lake. And that's the view of the lake from the corner. And as we come across, you'll see the cabin, the first cabin, which is close to the corner of the road. And this is where the driveway continues up the hill. There's an outhouse near the back. Again, the cabin. And I'm going to go ahead and walk on down towards the barge that goes along with the property. And this is the trail that goes alongside the road that goes to the second cabin. And here is the second cabin. And as you go up the hill, you can see how it's fairly steep right there going up towards the house. Okay, and as I go past, as I go past the cabin, you can see the other parcel. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a sign kind of across there a little ways, or a red deal. And then over here you could see a little bit of a beaver pond, but that is a low area, the front side of it. At this point, I'm looking straight up towards the property line, which the outhouse up there, you can kind of barely see through the woods, intersects the property. So as you go past here, the best building site on the second parcel would be kind of right back up into here. You do have to be 100 feet. It's either 75 or 100. I believe it's 100 feet off of the road. But as you go back in here, you can see where he's kind of cleared it out a little bit. Now you could have some water table down in here, so you might want to get back up into higher ground. You can see how steep it is going back up to the house. And we'll walk on back in here a little ways. You kind of have to hug the hill a little bit to get anything in here, otherwise you're kind of dropping off a little. Now, a guy could probably get a septic system kind of parallel on the ridge, but you'd have to check in on that.